Guys, you know that moment when you're at work and an idea hits you and you wish you could just build it? No setup and coding? That's exactly what Riff does. It's not just another tool, it's your AI sidekick at work, a professional vibe coding tool that helps you work faster and smarter across marketing, sales, finance, ops. You describe what you want, and it creates everything, all inside one smart workspace. I'm Daniel, and today we are diving into the tool, how it helps you build real, business-ready AI apps from scratch. From templates to human-AI collaboration, we'll see how it works, why it feels so different, and whether it's worth your time. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Friends, meet Riff, the first business-ready vibe coding platform. It's not another toy AI builder, it's built for real creators. You can launch production-ready apps, automations, and agents on your own data stack in minutes. Just describe what you want, like a customer health tracker with churn alerts, and an assistant builds it for you. No code, no setup, just real systems that work. What makes this bot stand out is how well it connects with real business tools, QuickBooks, Dynamics, Google Sheets, and more. Over 200,000 professionals, including teams from Microsoft, are already building and shipping with it. So, pals, what's vibe coding? It's building apps by describing what you need. Riff AI handles the tech side. Each application runs on a real backend with Python, React, and the smart system's own infrastructure. You can build dashboards, automations, or anything connected to your ERP, CRM, or finance system. And the best part, you can start 80% ready using built-in templates. And here's the best part, folks, Riff works. You get real experts who help finish, fix, and launch your app. It's an AI and human combo built for success. Scrolling down, you see how flexible the algorithm is, from sales and finance to customer experience. Folks, each section includes pre-built AI agents with real integrations like Zendesk or Slack, giving you a ready foundation to build on. Riff's pricing grows with your needs. Start free with basic templates and upgrade for more credits, support, and enterprise integrations. You only pay for what you use. And if you still have a question about what you can actually do, the FAQ spells it out clearly. Guys, we're back on the main screen. Here you can build from scratch or use a ready template. I picked the support bot. The neural network opens the chat builder with a pre-filled prompt, and you can start right away, even without logging in. After a few seconds, it generates a full setup. You've got all the features listed out, integrations connected, and the logic ready to go. Once the bot plan is ready, Riff automatically builds a full project layout. At the top, mates, there's a neat little feature. One click, and it creates a special vibe for you. You can share it with the Share Plan button, which copies the link to your clipboard. Your teammates can open it and keep building from where you left off. If you want to customize, click Edit Plan, remove or add features, or reshape the workflow. I added sentiment analysis, multilingual support, and connected Notion in integrations. Then hit Save Changes, and it updates instantly. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. When everything's saved, you can see a question from the bot whether you want to change anything. And that's the moment where it really feels alive, guys. I can literally talk to the system by just describing what I want. I click the Attach Image button, drop in a quick reference of the kind of dashboard I'm going for. Next, type. Folks, the system just thinks for a moment, and it rebuilds the whole thing. The name was updated to AI Support Dashboard, and now it's a full-blown professional workspace. Friends, you can see the new features, like multilingual support, sentiment tracking, and even escalation alerts. It didn't just tweak the layout, it actually evolved the app. And once I'm happy with it, I click Build Project. Riff switches into build mode, and you see these progress stages light up, from setup and planning up to design and building. The bar starts filling up, and it's literally assembling the app from the blueprint it just created. Watching it feels like seeing your idea go from concept to production in real time. Once the build's done, the model launches your workspace. Mine's called Inside Support Hub, It sets up a full live environment. Guys, in seconds, the AI support dashboard appears with real-time stats, sentiment tracking, and active integrations. On the left, there are live metrics. On the right, there are connected services like Zendesk and Slack. And it even starts generating insights automatically. It's like your customer ops team, analytics, and data scientist all working together in one clean view. Then the tool moves on to the next step, mates. Task management. On the right side, it opens an AI conversation, and you can see it has already structured a plan. I am picking task 3, syncing Notion. Instantly, it expands into a technical breakdown, building a Notion sync service, implementing vector storage, creating an API endpoint for FAQ queries, building the front-end chatbot component, and testing the full flow. The dashboard is already live, clean, responsive, and fully functional. At the top, you can see real-time metrics and active agents. On the left, there's a sentiment analysis section showing how users feel. On the right, all integrations are up and running, everything connected and syncing smoothly. Guys, below, the recent conversations panel updates in real time, complete with AI-suggested responses. All the buttons are live and working. Notifications pop up on the right. Slack alerts, scheduled reports, syncs with Notion. All's confirming that the backend automation is in place. The system isn't just for show, it's fully functional and production-ready. Folks, the whole system feels aware of what you need, working in the background, documenting every step. Once the last task completes, Riff prompts me to invite collaborators. I type in an email, hit send, and that's it. The team's on board. Then comes the final step, deployment. I click the deploy button in the top right corner. It asks for a project name. I type Inside Support Hub. A few seconds later, system confirms. I hit deploy again, and the status changes to starting deployment. The progress bar appears one last time, and you can literally watch your app go from concept to a fully live product, pals. Once the app is built and deployed, Riff automatically organizes everything into a structured workspace. I open the Tasks tab, and right here, it shows a live Kanban-style view: in progress, to do, and done. All 3 core tasks are already marked as done. Folks, it feels like working with a real engineering team that just wrapped up a sprint. Each task is not just a checkbox, it contains full context and technical notes. Even code references are here. If I want to dive deeper, I hover over the More menu, and that's where the platform truly opens up, giving access to all the advanced settings and developer tools. I go into integrations, and it feels like an app store for your backend, with all major services ready to connect in one click. I click Connect under Google, and the tool immediately brings up permissions. I select the data sources I want: Gmail, Sheets, then confirm connect with selected permissions. Done. The integration is active. This means, guys, I can now pull emails, sync analytics, or automate reports, all directly inside the same app I just built. And it's not just about connecting APIs. Riff handles the credentials, the backend routes, and the security automatically. There's even a restore icon at the top, letting me roll the project back to any previous version instantly. Usually, when you build something like this, you spend half your time context switching between different tools. But here, everything happens inside one environment. Mates, after all integrations are set up, there's just one final step: deploy. It shows the live project URL, meaning the app already exists and is ready for users. I click the copy icon, and that's it. I hit deploy once more, and the platform updates in seconds. Then the dashboard loads. Real-time data, real customer conversations. You can literally watch your support team's performance evolve in real time. On the left, there is sentiment analysis, and on the right, the integration status lights up. Guys, every data point has context, every insight action behind it. Everything you'd normally track across 5 tools now lives inside one clean, intelligent space. It's not a static dashboard, it's an evolving control center, from concept to deployment in minutes. That's the power of the tool. You describe it, it builds it, and before you realize it, your idea is already online, running live, and ready for the world. Okay, folks, and that's the power of Riff. It solves your problems at work and gives you real working tools without writing a single line of code. Whether you're building a dashboard or automation, you can do it all right here. Sign up, create your first app, and deploy today. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.